Ever felt that scary dead wobble when you are riding fast? It happens more often than you think, especially on big ADV motorcycles. Things like luggage weight, wind resistance, and even rack strength can make it worse. At LOBOO, we've got a solution. Back in 2022, we introduced the sliding top rack for solo riders. Simple, safe, and super effective. Now we're taking it a step further with the all-new sliding top rack. It replaces the traditional hard connection between the tail rack and the top case with a flexible floating mount. This absorbs most of the vibration and force that cause trunk sway, giving you a smoother, more stable ride without losing passenger space. After over 20,000 kilometers of high-low testing, the results are clear. It's great. If you've ever worried about instability or dead wobble when riding fully loaded, try the LOBOO, the sliding top rack. Tested, trusted, and built for confidence on every ride.